In this video, I'm going to review the book Embroidery on Knits by Judith Gumlich and published by Lane Publishing. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. So I recently purchased the book Embroidery on Knits, and it's a lovely book, so I'd like to show it to you and give you my thoughts. This is a beautiful book, Embroidery on Knits by Judith Gumlich. It's a hardback. It's a nice thickness. It's a nice weight. It's really, really beautiful. So the photography in here is lovely. It's just a wonderful book. There's a little bit of an intro, and then there's a materials and tools section. They talk about yarn and stabilizer and other fibers you can use for your embroidery, and the types of needles and other types of tools that you might want to use, and then how to prepare your knitting for embroidering on it. But then there's a nice large section on the embroidery. There's stitches, so there's a stitch dictionary section which has all of the basic embroidery stitches. It's got really nice illustrations showing you how to work these, and then some examples with beautiful photographs. Silk ribbon embroidery is something I have been wanting to get into. And I have another book on silk ribbon embroidery. So it's nice that this has a section on that as well. I haven't bought my silk ribbon yet, but that is on my to-do list. I have a wish list of some silk ribbon that I want to purchase. Color and content, and then just a lot of really great items to consider. And then there's a whole set of projects, and the embroidery designs are drawn out. I just love this fern. It's all very botanical and organic, which is just beautiful. I love it. So it's if you're interested in embroidery on your hand knits and you like the aesthetic of these, then definitely consider purchasing this book. There is also in the back then printed on paper the embroidery designs. So you can take your tracing paper or your stabilizer and copy over these designs to then work them on your own knitting. I haven't had a chance to really fully dive into this book yet and read in detail the sections, but I can't wait to do so. It's a gorgeous book. Had you heard of this book before? It's a fairly recent publication. Are you interested in purchasing it? Do you have it? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.